We start with KCCI's Scott Carpenter live in the Storm Chaser. You've been out a lot today. The roads have been icy. What are you noticing now?
Well, Alex, the roads are definitely still icy at this hour, but what we're really noticing now is how windy it is. The Storm Chaser is a large vehicle, and Chris Haberman is behind the wheel, our photojournalist, and we're getting pushed around pretty good here. The problem with that is, as you can see here from the bumper cam, see that streak of ice down the middle of our road here? The problem is you catch that and you sort of start to fishtail. So we're on 235, we're heading east, we're out towards the East Mixmaster. One thing that is really good though, Alex, is there's not many cars on the road right now. It seems people are heeding the warnings of don't travel if you don't have to. This isn't something that you want to fight. So that is the good news. Certainly when you're out on the highway though, do not use cruise control. Be ready to let off the gas as you go under underpasses, and look out for these patches that are clearly on the road. Take you back to the bumper so you can see it right there. You might run into some dry patches and think everything is good, but don't be overconfident. There is a ton of ice still out here to deal with, and that wind is going to blow you around, making driving a little rough. So Alex, you're definitely going to want to use caution out here, and once again, been saying it pretty much all week, but if you don't have to fight these elements today, just don't. Stay home. Alex?
Great advice. Thank you. And many people are trying to get their holiday destination today. KCCI's Andrew Mullenbeck is live along Interstate 80 near Mitchellville with a look at conditions there. Andrew.
Alex, in the 3 days we've been covering this storm, these are the windiest conditions we've seen. Now, few people have been coming into this rest stop, but the ones we have seen are certainly running to get inside. And here's a look at I-80 going east out of Des Moines. Right past the East Mixmaster, the interstate was slick. As we went past Altoona, the blowing snow became an issue. Take a look at the effect of the wind just outside this rest stop. We're just west of Mitchellville. From the wind whipping around cars to straining flags, gusts have easily topped 30 miles an hour today. At times, visibility is difficult. Most of the drivers are going below the speed limit. There are plenty of stranded vehicles along the interstate. Now, one thing that we have heard from drivers and talking with them here at the rest stop is conditions east toward Iowa City are even more difficult than the ones they're seeing right around the Des Moines area. We're live near Mitchellville. Andrew Mullenbeck, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
Good to have that heads up. Thank you. And the cold and blizzard hitting much of the U.S. is still impacting flights in and out of the Des Moines airport. Here's a look at the air arrivals and departures board. Hopefully we can get that up for you. Several flights have been canceled or delayed today. There it is. So there is a live look inside the airport's terminal also that we have for you to show just how busy it is as people sort of just have to sit and wait. This has been a busy spot all week as passengers try to fly out of Des Moines for the holiday weekend. Before you head to the airport, be sure to check with your airline to make sure your flight is still taking off.